You know the difference between you and me? Everything. Do you know the reason why I left? I was bored. I'm sorry, it just takes a little more to hold my attention. Let's go back to the beginning. Girl meets boy and everything is looking sweet. Time goes by and my eyes wander free. It's all my fault, I'm the one to blame. Shame on me and my man-eating game. I can truly say that it's not you, it's me. You can't cage a bird when they're made to be free. I'm looking all around me, breaking hearts don't make me happy. I won't give you excuses, can't change my colors, it's just useless.